Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahriar Chaudhary Imam from Bangladesh. Today I'm going to show you how to use disposable email, and also I'll explain difference between disposable email and normal email like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook or others which we use in ethical or to talk. So let's start. What is disposable email? It's like a disposable injection syringe which we can use just for one time. After its use, it will be disabled forever and no one can't bring it again. I repeat it, it's like a syringe which can work just for one time, and we can delete it anytime. Difference between disposable email and normal email, which we call normally fake email. If you create an email from Google or others, you should provide them your personal information, phone number, IP address, and also they will save your device name, IMEI number of your device, IP location, your exact location, and also they save your operating system's name, isn't it? So anyone can find you out easily or anyone can trace you easily. But if you use a disposable email, then no one can find out you by your email address, and you shouldn't give any information to use it. It's totally safest. Why should we use it? If we want to be an ethical hacker or if we do any tut work, then we always want to hide our information from the world. By the way, tut work doesn't mean bad work, you dirty minded people. So I think we should use disposable email, that's all, and that's the funniest piece, guys. Don't take it serious. How to use it? Go to Google Uncle. Where is my Google Uncle? Yeah, here is Google Uncle. Search here disposable email and click on this link. You can use this link also, but I use it since 2016. So I'll be recommended. And delete all. Firstly, I delete anything. And this is your email address link. Copy, press on this link and copy. And paste where you want to use it. Such as, for example, I'm going to my Gmail and compose email, loading, paste here and subject, hello Bangladesh. Hi, I'm from Bangladesh. Send it. And it will take time. After 10 seconds it take a refresh. Yeah, here it is. Hi, I'm from Bangladesh. Press on this and view the mail. And guys, you can compose a mail from this site to the mail was from copy, compose, paste, subject, okay, then press here send, proceed, send. Oh, captcha steps. Why should I take captcha Google Pro? Why? And look, here is the mail that I sent from this site. This is okay. And if I want to forget it, then it's mean if I want to delete this link, then I can press on this forget me. Yeah, let's totally I can select what org, and here I can type anything like 123456 FJFJFD set, and this is the link. Copy, paste. And guys, if you really know it for first time, then you can share this video with your friend and keep supporting to me. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And Assalamu alaikum again. I'm proud to be a Muslim.